Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. I got an email the other day and I read through it. I get a lot like this, especially when it comes to noise transmission. But it had another interesting comment in it too that shows just how confused I think a lot of people are about sound absorption and noise transmission. They're two different things, and we need to realize that, because you confuse them, you're just wasting a lot of time and money here. So let's read through the comment. My previous home theater, I spent considerable time and effort keeping the low bass from infiltrating the floor above. Common problem in basements. I installed a double 5/8" drywall ceiling, used hat channel and isolation clips as well as green glue, with lots of amounts of building insulation in between, I guess the studs. Did not help very much. That's because this system is not designed for low frequencies. I've been telling people for years that particular system is a waste of space and a waste of performance. Here is a real life situation, and I get many of these, okay? But here's what's more important. Would your subplatform help? Well, let's define what our subplatform is. It elevates, isolates, and attenuates. Does three things. Raises the sub off the floor, smooth out room response. Attenuates, absorbs energy really close to the source, and isolates that floor to sub contact, minimizing vibration transfer. So it's a sound absorption technology. And the problem here is noise transmission. So we have a noise transmission versus sound absorption technology. So we have to be very, very careful here in understanding our terms. Because if we give him a subplatform, it's not going to do anything for his noise transfer. And we just don't do things like that. I will be straight up with you. I'm painfully honest about what works and what doesn't. If I offend some of you, so be it. Because this is the truth. 90% of the stuff you read on the internet is nonsense. Okay? This is the truth. Here's a real life example. And I have hundreds of these. But I thought I'd put this one up because it shows the confusion between barrier technology, using a method that won't work for low frequency, and sound absorption technology, thinking that our subwoofer platform would help his noise transmission issue. Won't. So we're going to help him design the home theater. We're going to help with noise transmission. We're going to guarantee the results. I don't know how many companies out there do that. I don't think any. We do. If you take noise measurements, we build a barrier, and it doesn't work, which has never happened in 14, 15 years. Never happened when I was building buildings. We'll fix it for free, or we'll give you your money back. I don't know what else we can do to show you that this stuff is nonsense when it comes to low frequency. Low frequency laughs at this, waves at you as it goes right through it, laughing. Barrier technology is frequency and amplitude dependent. You got to measure. You got to know what frequency, and you got to know how strong, because the materials we use are frequency and amplitude dependent. The problem is frequency and amplitude dependent. The solution is frequency and amplitude dependent. Measure, measure, measure first. Design and then build. Here's what people do first. They build. Always got to build. Measure first. Measure twice, cut once, remember? Measure first, design, then build. And then get a guarantee from us. So we can help you with all of this. But I wanted to put this up as an illustration of the confusion that's out there. Okay? So keep in mind that noise transmission, the problem he's experiencing here up through the floor, is completely different than sound absorption. Now, we can get those two to work together. We can reduce the amount of pressure inside the room so that less transfers up. But they're separate technologies. They're separate problems, they're separate issues, and they need separate treatments. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.